Here in Dollie, we always aim to offer a top-class automation experience. From our one-click deployments, advanced blueprint features, and auto-horizontal scaling, we make it easy to offer your clients a complete hosted solution. What we have now released is an enterprise module, Custom Backups. So if we go into WP Admin, Dollie, and then Settings, and then come across to Modules, we'll see a toggle for the custom backup location. Now, we have to remember that this feature is part of our enterprise solution. So please contact the Dollie team if you'd like to enable this feature for your account. Once enabled by our team, you can just enable the toggle here. Then we can choose our provider. And I'm going to be using Google Storage, so I'll just leave it as it is. Then we can just copy and paste our access key and secret key. For more information on how to set up your Google Cloud Bucket, please see our video on setting up a Google Cloud Bucket. You can find a link to this in the description below. This backup setting will be applied on all existing containers and for future deployments as well. And if you remove the credentials, your containers will be automatically set back to the default, our backup service. And then we have the path, or the bucket name. So we automatically append each site's name to the following defined path. Each site will be a backup in its own folder inside the bucket that you define here. So basically, I want this in the overall bucket. So I'm just going to use the bucket name, which is Example Agency. And now, I'm going to just click Update. And just like that, we're set up. So let's back up an example site so we can see the backup get generated in real time. So if we come across here to View Sites and we go to this Hello World example site I've just created, we'll be brought through to the customer dashboard for the site. Perfect. So we see backups here. Great, now just click on it. So now we're in the backup section. Okay, so looking inside our Google Cloud Bucket, we can see that there's nothing inside. And we're just going to go back and we're just going to create a new backup. This old backup is from when it was previously connected. So we see we're building your backup. Okay, great. And we'll see this backup created here in our Google Cloud Bucket. Okay, so let's just refresh the page. And just like that, the backup is listed in the Google Cloud Bucket. Simples! If you'd like to acquire an enterprise white label cloud automation solution that allows you to integrate your own custom backups, please reach out to the Dollie team today.